Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account you want tied to Voice. Once signed in, open the Google Voice app or go to Voice. Google.com. Make sure your cell number is verified so calls can forward. Choose or claim a voice number when prompted, and accept permissions for calls, contacts, and microphone so dialing works. You do this first because a verified account and number link are required to place calls and receive voicemails reliably. Once done with sign-in and number selection, configure where calls ring, add forwarding phones, or link a desk SIP device. Make sure microphone permissions are allowed on your browser or app so you can speak. Set caller ID and decide whether outgoing calls display your voice number. This prevents accidental numbers showing. Also record or upload a voicemail greeting and enable call screening if you want to vet unknown callers. These steps can now place a test call from the app or voice. Google.com, tap or click the dial pad, enter a number with country code for international calls, and press call. Listen for clarity. If audio stutters, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and close other apps using bandwidth. If you can't connect, make sure microphone and call permissions are enabled, forwarding phones are verified, and your Google Voice account has any required billing or credit. That single troubleshooting check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.